What if you could create complete video scenes with dialogue and narration from a single prompt, using an AI character or even placing yourself into cinematic scenes to stand out from competitors? That's exactly what VideoExpress 3.0 does. Describe your scene, and the AI generates characters, motion, dialogue, and accurate lip sync automatically. No actors, no cameras, no editing.
Tunde, Saka, this drinking will destroy you one day.
Little adjustment to the left. Use your mirrors to see the line.
All right. Today's guest.
Crispy golden, a true test. With dipping sauce, we're blessed, putting our appetite.
You can do it. Mom said it's gonna be super fun.
Whoa,
Look at all the toys in here. I thought I'd have everything figured out by now.
In a unique office deep in the jungle, animals work together.
Then combine your scenes into a complete video using the built-in editor. Simple, fast, and repeatable.